Hey guys, it's Super Saiyan Mooncake here, and this is a tutorial of how did I make my character. Okay, so all you have to do is go to Google Chrome, and then type in the character. That is transparent. And it's a little better. Okay, I'm just gonna use something like this. Download the image. Okay, go to Lightroom. The app will be in the link in the description down below. And, okay. Now here's where the real one begins. Okay, so all you have to do is go down here. Where is it? Time. There it is. Go to photos. Presto. Okay. Okay, now. The only thing you need to do is color it, press mix, and make it seem like it's your character. And you need to be very careful with it. Trust me. Up. Almost got it. Now. Okay. This is good. Now. All you need to do is go to save device, limit to 2048, go to background eraser, go to load photo, and find the picture. Hey, what the? Weird. Also, you need to watch out for the spots. Just like that. And if you want it all the way out, you have to go to audio and put it all the way to 50. Oh, one more spot. Got it. Go to gallery. And voila! That's it, guys. That's how I made my character. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys blast that like button. Blast that subscribe button. Make sure to see more of my previous videos. And I will see you all soon in the next video. Keep training till you get stronger.